this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 10th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Our beloved principal, Reno Bofici, at Palm Beach Maritime Academy Middle and High School, was recently diagnosed with the COVID-19 virus. Based on his diagnosis date, we are confident that he had no contact with anybody who attended the school prior to the school's recent closure. We're making a direct appeal for anybody who meets the following criteria to voluntarily donate blood plasma. Number 1, have a positive test result for COVID-19. You must have a copy of the test result and be able to bring a copy with you when you donate. 2, be symptom-free for at least 14 days. 3, be local to the South Florida area. If you meet the criteria and able to make such a donation, please contact Dr. Leslie Diaz at 561-776-8300 as soon as possible for this urgently needed treatment. We hope that our entire Palm Beach Maritime family, as well as our entire community, remains safe and strong during this trying time. We deeply appreciate your consideration of this request. Virtual instruction is off to a great start. Thank you to everyone for your feedback and patience as we work through issues as they arise. We are also so impressed with all the amazing work that we're seeing from our students. Everyone is doing an outstanding job. Please make sure you log into your Google Classroom daily and work towards completing weekly assignments. Please reach out to your teacher with any questions that you may have, and we encourage you to attend the live Google Meet sessions. Elementary students, please join Coach C's PE class, Ms. Fischer's art class, and Ms. Burns' STEM class for some fun activities. Keep up the great work. The elementary teachers are available from 8 o'clock till 2:30, and you can call the front desk from 8 o'clock till 3:30 each day. You can also have them get a message to your teacher for you. The secondary teachers have virtual office hours from 1 o'clock till 3:30 Monday to Thursday and from 9 to 3:30 on Fridays. The secondary school's phones are being answered from 8:30 to 3:30 Monday to Friday to reach school personnel for assistance. Please check Jupiter Ed frequently for announcements and important information updates. Students are doing a wonderful job attending and interacting with their virtual classes. Secondary students, please remember to check for your assignment due dates and turn in your work on Google Classroom. Please be well and stay safe, and remember we're in this together and we will persevere together. We likely won't be able to have our regular high school graduation in May, and we're working on alternatives. Here's a message from Miss Fischer.
Hey PBMA, Ms. Fisher here with your weekly art update. I just wanted to give a shout out to all my art students. You guys have been doing an amazing job sending in your artwork. Our first week we tackled Andy Warhol, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of slides of what's been coming in. They've been so creative, and I'm so impressed with what you've been doing at home. Check these out. Second week of virtual learning in art, we have decided to work as a family, and we started to create some food art, and you guys have blown me away with some of the things that you came up with. I wanted to share these with you guys too because they're just unbelievable. So check these out. So what'd you think of that food art? It was so great. I also wanted to let you know that we will be starting a Google Meet for Fine Arts. It'll be Monday through Friday at noon. Everybody has different slots for their meets, so that's kind of the only slot we have. I know it's lunchtime, but you can join us. That's okay. It is not mandatory, so you do not have to be there. But just in case you wanted to stop in, had a question, or just wanted to say hi, we want to be available for you guys. So the schedule will be as follows. On Monday it will be K1, Tuesday 2nd grade, Wednesday 3rd grade, 4th grade on Thursdays, and Friday will be for 5th grade. Again, it's not mandatory. We'll send out the Google Meet code on the day of your meet between 11:30 and 12, and we hope to see some of you there because we've been missing you guys. Another message I just wanted to get out real quick was for safety patrols. You guys have been awesome. Thank goodness we got to go to Washington, D.C. and have that trip, but I know some of you who did not go to Washington. We were planning a big celebration at the end of the year, but we just want to give you a shout out and say thank you for all your hard work this year. You guys were amazing, and we've had some questions about what to do with the belts. Just hold on to the belts, put them in a safe spot, and we'll get them once all this is over. So that's it. On behalf of me and all the staff at PBMA, we hope your families are healthy and enjoying your time at home together. And we hope to see you on Google Meet soon. So we'll be talking to you next week. And you guys have a great 3-day weekend.
Stay safe and well. Enjoy this holiday weekend with your family. We miss you. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information, now more than ever. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.